Hello Scorpio, and welcome to your reading for the possibilities that are coming your way. Remember that this reading does not necessarily have any specific date on it. Whenever this message finds you, and whenever you find this message, then this reading will be for you at this given time. You are starting with the dominant energy of the drum roll. Wow, the Ace of Cups. You guys, what is going on here? This is so beautiful. So the Ace of, I'm smiling. I'm literally smiling, okay? So for you guys, congratulations. There is brand new love here for you. Somebody here is starting to open up their heart. Slowly but surely, their heart chakra is opening up for a brand new beginning. This also represents some kind of unity, balancing some kind of energy here with a partner, a joyful connection coming in, some kind of harmonious relationship that is going to create, you guys, a lot of joy, okay? It's a very strong bond. It's a very big energy that is free from attachments, that is free from power, from money, from control, from status. It's just both of you guys accepting each other as you are. It's beautiful, gorgeous. Let's go ahead and see what exactly is going on in your environment. My goodness, what is going on here? You are showing up with the best energies. The Magician. Somebody here is trying to manifest something here, okay? Look at this. Another ace, the Ace of Wands, the spark of joy. There is a group of you guys, for a group of you guys, where the past is here to say, hello, I miss you, or maybe you miss somebody from the past, but something here, it doesn't have to be the past. It's only for a group of you guys. For another group of you guys, it's just a union that feels like home. And you know why it feels like home, you guys? Because it's someone here that you have actually met in a past lifetime. The Six of Cups represents a past life kind of union that now when you meet them in this lifetime, it's some of those kind of like unexplainable connections. You can't put it into words. You can't explain it. People around you are like kind of like saying, are you crazy, you know? And you're like, yeah, I know, it's unexplainable, but it just is. It's big energy. It's a big union here. It's meant to be. Maybe both of you guys, you know, have differences in age, and maybe an age gap, maybe religious differences. It could possibly be maybe you guys live in different places, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter the mountains that are between both of you guys, okay? They are going to be overcome because this is meant to be. It's just a meant to be type of connection along with this Ace of Cups. I mean, there is beautiful energy here for you. You guys are showing up with three aces, the Ace of Cups, the Ace of Swords, and the Ace of Wands. So a lot of beautiful brand new energy here for you this week. Maybe somebody here finally communicating, either you communicating how you feel, somebody here, basically all of your confusion, all of your doubts are going to be clarified, cleared out, crystallized this week. You are finally going to come into some kind of clarity this week that is going to allow you to breathe, okay? So there's also this Ace of Wands, something here that maybe started in the past, ended very quickly, and you were left kind of like, wait, what happened? What just happened? I thought this was going to go in the right direction. I thought that it was going to begin again. I thought that my love story, this business venture was going to start, and then all of a sudden something happened and it went wrong. And the reason why it went wrong is because it was not meant to be. It was not meant to happen at that time, okay? That's the type of energy that I'm picking up on. But let's go ahead and see what this Ace of Cups is all about, because it's gorgeous energies, you guys. Okay, the Hermit. You might be dealing with the sign of Virgo, or maybe Virgo in your chart or their chart, whatever the case may be. There's a lot of wisdom that's coming out of this situation, okay? Somebody here is learning the lesson. Somebody here is learning from their spiritual experiences. They are growing within this current situation. And I do sense that there's kind of like this energy where, yes, there's still a little bit of a lingering pain. So somebody here might actually, you know, be distracting themselves on purpose with things on the outside. It could be you, it could be the other person. Remember, energies can be in the reverse, but they are purposely distracting themselves with other things that are not really relevant to the situation, because they are afraid to really dig deeper, okay? Someone here feels something very, very deeply, but they are denying it, that sort of thing, okay? Now, the Seven of Cups also represents life lessons. This is kind of like a person going through a lot of life lessons, growing spiritually, like I said, and coming to a deeper understanding of what it is that they truly want, okay? This person might also be placing a little bit of a barrier in the form of, oh, no, you know what? I have a long list of to-do things. I don't have time for love right now. That is just not not for me. This is just not for me right now, you know, and it's going to knock on your door. So if love knocks on your door, you're not going to be able to ignore it. Okay. Or maybe if you're going to knock on somebody's door, you know, your love is going to knock on somebody's door. They're going to try to ignore you. They're going to try to ignore it, but not for very long, not for very long, because this is an undeniable connection. However, there's still somebody here that is still lingering in the energy of pain. Okay. Somebody here still thinks of, why did the things happen the way that they did, you know, that sort of thing. So there's still a little bit of painful type of energy here lingering around, a person who maybe has had a very deep attachment to something that they were very deeply attached to. It still brings them that energy of sorrow, that energy of what could it have been, why did things happen the way they happened, that sort of thing. However, this person is showing up as very resilient. Whether this is you or them, they're showing up wanting to kind of like start something, because the Empress plays no games. Okay, the Empress, you do not play games with the Empress. The Empress does not play games with you. I mean, it's that simple, simply put. Okay, so the Empress here, it's big energy coming in. They're talking business. I mean, whether it's literal business or just kind of like wanting to commit to something, this is committed. This is kind of like a big commitment. Okay, this person is willing to make those moves that they need to make. This person is willing to drop the burdens that they need to drop. And as a reminder, there's going to be a sacrifice that somebody here is going to need to make this week in order for you to start a brand new beginning. Okay, some kind of sacrifice, maybe something that you took on as maybe helping someone maybe for quite a while, and now this person is kind of like seeing you as kind of like, you know, you're going to always be there. You're going to always be there. You're going to always help them. Well, this is the week for you to drop a burden. It could be also the burden as simple as stress, as simple as a doubt, as simple as a fear that you've had of what could possibly go wrong, instead of focusing on, hey, what could possibly go right this week, because there's a lot of things that could possibly go right this week. Beautiful. We're going to be going into the extended reading to see who this other person is, because I do sense that there's somebody here taking a little bit of a break. They've had too much going on in their personal lives, maybe a lot of work to do, you know, that sort of thing. And so they're kind of taking a little bit of a break, but this break is very necessary because they're really thinking things through. Okay. So whoever this individual is, they have a lot of love for you. They have undeniable love for you, and it's growing. I mean, look at this, the Queen of Cups. It's growing day after day. Even if whoever it is was denying it, yeah, sure, there's still somebody here lingering in the energy of a little bit of a chip on their shoulder. You know, maybe something that happened between both of you guys in the past or in a past lifetime. Somebody here still kind of remembers like what happened. Like, oh, what if this person does this again? What if this happens to me again? That sort of thing, okay? But again, we're going to be going into the extended reading to see who this other person is. But before we do that, let's go ahead and ask your question. So as I shuffle, go ahead and ask your question. You will be getting a yes or no answer to your question. But before we do that, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you are notified each and every single week that I post. I post each and every single week for every single zodiac sign. You guys, when you subscribe, it really helps me and it helps the algorithm so that I can continue posting more readings like these for you guys on this platform. Also, if you have not yet given this video a thumbs up, go ahead and take the time to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you all so much for your support. Okay. What is your question? You're going to be getting a yes or no answer. So is this a yes or no? Ready? Drum roll. That is a definite yes. My goodness. Gorgeous energies, you guys. So guess what? Luck is on your side this week. The Wheel of Fortune, you guys. You guys are right now being taken care of by the universe. Everything is under divine providence. Everything is under divine control. You don't have to control the situation. It is already being taken care of for you. So don't feel pressure to say anything. It is going to happen whether you do something or not. It's going to work out in your favor. Remember, it's all about the perfect timing here with the Wheel of Fortune. It is turning around in your favor. It's a yes. It's a definite yes. And at the bottom of the deck, you might be dealing with a sign, the sign of Sagittarius. Doesn't have to be, but this is calling for patience. Temper your feelings, temper your emotions. Patience will be needed, okay? Everything is going to work out just fine. Beautiful. Now let's go ahead and see what the dice has to say for you. Let's roll the dice. You are, let's see, this is a sign of Virgo. So the sign of Virgo, and also 1111. Wow, 11. So this is beautiful energy. If you see repetitive numbers 111, guess what? You are at the right place at the right time. Keep doing what you are doing. You are going in the right direction. That's a confirmation for you. And also the number 11, you guys, represents friendships, okay? It's very Uranian energy, social energy, planning for the future. Focus on that this week. Plans for the future, progressive type of energy, change, invention, potential. And also it represents rebellion because it's the house of Aquarius, okay? Going against the norm in some kind of way, doing something that you've never done before and thinking outside the box. That's what's going to benefit you this week. Now let's go ahead and get one affirmation message for you. One affirmation message. Let's see what we have here. I am a trustworthy friend who shows up. So whether this is for you or for the other person, maybe somebody's going to ask for help, just realize that you do have friends that are going to show up for you, and also you are a trustworthy friend who shows up for others. Okay, so that is your affirmation. I am a trustworthy friend who shows up. That is your affirmation for this week. All right, and this is what I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you'd like to watch the extended reading, the link to the extended is down in the description box below. In the extended reading, I go into the other person's subconsciousness, their deeper thoughts about you, their deeper feelings for you, their next actions, moves, and more. And thank you all so much for all of your positive feedback for the extended reading. I am so glad that you guys are loving the extended reading so much. So again, if you want to check out the link to the extended, the link is down in the description box below. And if you'd like a personal psychic reading, you can click on my special link that's down in the description box below. I've partnered with Psychic Source so you can receive 10 minutes for only $10 and an additional 3 minutes free. And for psychic phone call readings, make sure to use my special number 26489. Again, that's 26489 when you make the call so that you can receive your discount. I'm not a reader on Psychic Source. However, you can choose from any psychic or tarot reader that you'd like by checking out their ratings and reviews. You can either chat with them online via my direct link or choose a phone call and use my special code 26489 to receive your discount offer. And check out my new video on my new channel, Maya Sky, where I guide you in an affirmations meditation to manifest anything you want. The link to my new channel, Maya Sky, and the new video is down in the description box below. And remember that your monthly readings have all been posted on the channel. You can check out the links to all those readings for the entire month down in the description box below. And check out GinaMoon.com and click on shop. I have new jewelry pieces, necklaces, rings, crystals, and much more for both men and women. Whether you seek protection from negative energies, want to manifest wealth and prosperity, or you desire to find true love, my Gina Moon online store has a perfect piece for you. It's the ultimate collection of spiritual jewelry designed to enhance your life and unlock the power of the universe. Each exquisite jewelry piece is handcrafted with love and infused with the positive energy of ancient wisdom. Wearing these pieces is like carrying your own personal sanctuary, offering you protection, attracting abundance, and inviting more love into your life. Imagine feeling a deep sense of peace as you go about your day, knowing that you are shielded, protected by the powerful energies of sacred gemstones. So experience the incredible transformation that comes with wearing these precious gems. Let its energy align with yours, empowering you to attract love, abundance, success, and more. So check out my online store at GinaMoon.com and click on shop. The direct link is down in the description box below.